Oh, you grunks. Welcome back to the channel. It's got down to AU house. The plan is to put Barra into Patrol. So, hopefully that goes to plan. Hey, this is a small YouTube guy. Yep. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it goes in today, because it's been 2 years since I bought a turbo for that sheet box. Alright, so current situation. The motor was in the car as a mock-up, but I had a different rocker cover on it, and there was a hood scoop on the Patrol, and it got water in it over 6 months. This was the state of the fucking rocker cover. So, got water all through the motor, had to pull the sump off, had rust all through the sump. I think there's videos on my TikTok if you want to go have a look at that. Could edit it in, but I don't want to. So, ligma. Water line the whole way fucking along it with rust. That was all rusty as well, but if you reckon that's bad, wait till you see this dog. Yes, crippled life. Holy fuck me. Yeah, that was clean. But thank fuck I didn't actually fill my whole motor with water because oil drain. So it actually all went out the fucking hole. And yeah, only have to do a couple of fucking bearings on the dog and a couple of main caps. But you know, didn't get the fucking oil pump, so happy with that. Yeah, watch this space, I suppose. Fuck me. Anyway, so we've just put the motor back together. I now just have to put spark plugs back in the dog. And then, yeah, she's pretty much ready to go. I still do have to put my, what is it? Power steering pump back on. Because I had to have like a custom fitting put on it. So, might just do that when it's in the car, because goal today is just get the motor in the car. So, yeah, let's get into it. Spark plugs and ignition coils are in. I was about to start strapping the motor up, but we just got a call saying the new power steering pump is ready to go on. So, I'm going to run with this, go get that. It's a fitting for, because it's different setup, because of relocation for alternator and power steering pump. So I'm going to get that fitting pressed in and pick up my new pump, chuck it on before it goes in the car, so stoked. Hell mad smoke. Bonk. Parts bus, let's go. It's a pump. Yes. Hey, pump. I put the pump on the day. Look, fixed. Straight in the car now. No bolts required. Have a look at this. It's on the move, boys. It's on the move. To the patrol. It begins. She floating, boys. Be you bastard. Got me a dope. Can't be bothered getting a pry bar. Probably don't need one. I use this. It's not the one to work. Ya blood. Get off me, dog, ya bastard. Oh, gonna need to get a pry bar. Oof. Alright, so just my luck. As soon as I get the motor out and pull the fucking stand out, starts doing the rain. So to prevent this getting filled with water again, I'm gonna tape the dogs up, tape the dog up, and dog the dogify over there. The dog. It's like fisting me things. Fisting and fingering, giving it the reach around, eh? Alright. I have de-waterified, protectified these. Don't question the taping. On is on. Electrical tape was not the right tape for the job, but heavy right. No water's getting in this dog. So it may be there. I need to plug that. I don't have one. Get the tape out. Fuck it. Nah, see, we got the gaze bow in case the Sky decides to do the wee. Oh, so currently this camera is being held by the grill of the Patrol, and there's the engine. Now, because I can't be fucked talking to spec, I have this to go on this. So when I do the medium ugga duggers and that's not enough, we have the safety lubricant. Heavy right, mate. On is on. Alright, pretty much dark now. Rain racked off, but who needs airbags in their car? Just let all the air out, bro. Down she goes.
Only good vibes, bro.
Alright, I'm in the engine bay. Torque converter is in. You can't really see it, but torque converter is in. Engine is ready to be where I am. Let's go. Alright, slight dilemma. Because of how we jack the box up using the jack stand, it is now pressing against the chassis of the vehicle. So I now need 2 jacks, one to hold the gearbox and one to jack the car. So we have to move this dog just so I can do this, and I can see this becoming a very late night, but oh well, you get that on the big jobs, mate. So it worked, but not in the way it's meant to. So basically I ended up using this jack as a hammer because it didn't go high enough, and this was just jacking the car. So we popped it, the jack stand out, and now I just need to get it the rest of the way out. And should be good to go. Fetched. Me being the dickhead that I am, I totally forgot I have a very important dinner that I was meant to be at an hour ago. So I need to leave this and come back later because David is going to be here all night as well. So I might still get this done, but ligma, that is, he has ligma also.
I have barely got a voice left, so.
Small YouTube guy who's trying to keep up with the big dogs. Made it back from dinner. It is now 10 o'clock. But on inspection of the engine, because I'm running an FG sump, I need to put the bolts through to the torque converter from the starter motor hole, because you don't have little thing at the bottom anymore because it's not B series. So you can't really tell, but I now need to trim down the sandwich plate so that I can actually get the bolts through. So this has to come back off. So I can get the sandwich plate, get the angle grinder out, trim that off, and then yeah, fucking, it's going in the car tonight. It is going in 100% today. It's going in. So hell mad smoke. All right, so angle grinder and a Dremel tool has done the job. She's spaced enough to where it should be absolutely fine. It's pretty dodgy, but it's dodgy and works. It's not that dodgy, so she will. So, it's in. Only took fucking 4 people.
Yeah, but in is in.
In is in.
She's in.
Hell mad smoke. I reckon I should golly on it.
Don't. Oh, you just...
And now it is officially in the car and part of the car.
You're disgusting.
On is on.
I think it's generally wrong with you.
Did I say you could speak?
Well, you put the camera at my face.
Yeah, fair enough. Alright, I'm going to close the video out there tonight. Motor's in, finally. I feel like I've been in this situation before. But, motor's finally in. Now, do need AC compressor on it. Obviously, you need turbo. Lines all run. Radiator, which is actually ready to go in. Then yeah, just fab for the exhaust and turbo and stuff. And then and in cooler piping, and then wiring. So once that's all done, off for a tune, and yeah, that'll probably take 6 more months because I know how I am. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in